Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the About tablet. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, so let's start with entering maybe status information. Let's scroll down, and unfortunately the build number is not here, so let's enter all parameters and information, and as you can see the build number is right here at the bottom of the list. So now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and now all we have to do is to go back to this left section and enter the system which is right above the About tablet. Now almost at the very bottom we've got the developer options, so let's tap, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example we can turn on the option to always show crash dialog. Here we can override force dark, we can change the animation scales, we can show surface updates and visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, so the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So to turn on the option you have to simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and most of the options will be inactive, and basically after getting back to the system settings the developer options will disappear from the list. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.